Okay, good day everyone. I am Zuhardo Madali, and ang napili ko pong poem ni Jose Rizal is about the Virgin Mary. So, we all know naman na the Virgin Mary holds a special place in the works of Jose Rizal. And this is actually the one of the notable poem na gidedicated ni Dr. Jose Rizal kay Virgin Mary, na tinatawag nga nating to the Virgin Mary, or tinatawag din nating La Virgin Maria in Spanish. So in this poem, Rizal expresses deep devotion and reverence to the Virgin Mary. So giportray niya to as a source of his comfort and protection for suffering. So ginawa niya ang poem na ito during his school days in Ateneo. So it is also reflects on the strong Catholic upbringing and belief of Dr. Jose Rizal kay Virgin Mary. So dahil Katoliko si Dr. Jose Rizal, is malaki din ang paniniwala niya sa power or kakayahan ni Virgin Mary. So kaya niya ginawa ito kasi naniniwala siya na may kakayahan si Virgin Mary sa kanyang buhay. So ayun, no, ginawa ni Dr. Jose Rizal ang poem na ito very seriously. Hindi yung ginawa lang niya ito dahil trip-trip lang. Ginawa niya ito dahil malaki ang paniniwala niya kay Virgin Mary. So ginawa niya rin ito bilang simbolo ng kanyang paniniwala and strong belief to Virgin Mary. So Katoliko si Dr. Jose Rizal, so especially malaki talaga ang paniniwala niya kay Virgin Mary. So ginawa niya talaga tong poem na ito to dedicated to Virgin Mary. That's all po. Thank you.